of her age, especially tonight. Maxwell fighting for his rivalry with actual Broadway producer Andrew Lloyd Webber. Fran's larger-than-life image was enhanced by Drescher's size 4 figure, big hair, fabulous legs, and the crazy outfit she wore. Sequins, lots of red, black spandex, leopard, very short miniskirts, and towering high heels. There's also a great deal of physical comedy, including exaggerated falls and chases. Drescher's facial expression, when shocked or surprised, are reminiscent of Lucille Ball. In fact, The Nanny has been called the 90s version of I Love Lucy. Miss Fine, what are you doing here?
Well, Mr. Seinfeld, I heard some screaming and moaning in that room. I think I should be part of that.